So many women come to me and tell me they feel overwhelmed, stuck, unclear, and just drained. And the truth is, they're not stuck, they're overfilled. If you want to feel relief, clarity, more joy, and more connection with your intuition, then you are in the right place. Because you can't feel any of those things if you're filled up with stuff that doesn't serve you anymore. This month, I am going to help you with some super simple tips to help you getting yourself back. And it's not about adding more to your plate. It's actually about clearing. I'm going to be sharing tools that I personally use, tools that I'm actually helping my clients with and have helped my clients with for years. Okay? So comment clear if you would like more and follow along with me. I'll be posting more. I'm Shell Dransart. Shell, like shell on the beach. Dransart. I'm an intuitive and a life coach for women. And I'm so excited to give this to you and connect with you further. My website is www.shelldransart.com if you want more resources or to connect with me further. I have lots of resources on my website. My cat loves when I get on video. Come back and I will share some more with you.